Hello and welcome to this video. And this is yet another video on my channel. You can watch a bunch of other videos, but this is the Lego song. I'm a special kind of Lego. My name is Hero Factory. There's a million different kinds of me and I mixed up. They got rid of me because I wasn't good enough, because I didn't have all the parts I needed. So they threw me in the Lego bucket and they never saw me again. I took a trip to Nantucket, got some cool parts and I also sold in a pocket. Now I'm gonna fly on my rocket that I made with NASA. I'm one of their launch robots now. So now we are taking a trip to space. Launch failed. Returning to Earth in 3, 2, 1. Now I'm all black and I'm better, but I look like a skeleton. I'm just kidding, I look like this already. Now I must go out and do some real steel robot boxing. You should try the game, it's free for any mobile device. I wanna see if I can fight Adam and maybe get some cash in the stash. Goodbye. Bye.